Good morning, students. In the last session, we have learnt how to solve the quadratic equations by the method of completing the squares. Now, in this session, we'll learn the third method to solve the quadratic equations, that is, solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Which is also known as Sridharacharya's formula, given by a mathematician Sridharacharya in 1025 AD, also known as Sridharacharya's formula. Named after the mathematician Sridharacharya, given in 1025 AD. This formula we have derived in the last session. If the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x with sign, and c is the constant term, that also with sign. Then the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a, where b square minus 4ac is equal to capital D, that is known as discriminant. And the nature of roots depends on the value of D, that is discriminant. So the formula becomes x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. First we'll find out the value of discriminant. If d is greater or equal to 0, find the roots. If d is less than 0, no real roots. So before applying the formula, first we have to find out the value of d, that is discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. And then if d is greater or equal to 0, we'll find the real roots by using the formula. By using above formula. If d is less than 0, then in that case we'll just write no real roots and no need to solve it further. That is, we need not find the roots here. It's a part of syllabus. of class 11th. Right? So students, note down this formula first. Then we'll discuss some examples to use this formula. Okay, so example number 1. You may also have a very short answer type question based on this, that is, just find the discriminant. Find the discriminant only. Only question is find the discriminant. For example, if the equation is minus 3x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Find the discriminant. First we'll compare this with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 8. We have to find out the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 2 square minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 8. So this is equal to 4 minus 4 3s are 12 and 12 8s are 96. This is equal to minus 92. The question is only find the discriminant. So answer is D is equal to minus 92. If the question is write the nature of roots. Write the nature of roots. Then in that case, answer is no real roots. Let's take one more example. Example number 2. Again, find the discriminant only. Root 3x square minus 2 root 2x root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. A part, find discriminant. Second, write the nature of roots, that is whether real or not real. Only nature of roots, whether real or not. We'll discuss this topic in details in the next session. So here, compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 2 root 2, c is equal to minus 2 root 3. Discriminant D, equal to b square minus 4ac equal to minus 2 root 2 square minus 4 into root 3 into minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 2 square 8. Minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 8 plus 24, which is equal to 32. Therefore, D is greater than 0. So, the equation has real roots. So this is a short answer type question. Let us find the discriminant or write the nature of the roots of the given equation. To write the nature, again first we find the discriminant and then we can write the nature. Next question, that is solve using quadratic formula. Solve using quadratic formula. Next question is solve the quadratic equations using quadratic formula or Sridharacharya's formula, which was given in 1025 AD. First part, first I'll write some equations and then we'll solve those equations. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Second we'll take 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, first let's take these two examples, then we'll take some more. So the solution for A part. Equation is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. First we find out the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. 4 root 3 value of b, 4 root 3, so 4 root 3 square minus 4 value of a, 4 value of c, 3. 4 root 3 square 48 minus 4 4s are 16 into 3, 48 equal to 0. So the roots are, when d is 0, we have d is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. We'll get two equal roots. Let's find out the roots. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus value of b 4 root 3 plus minus root d, value of d is 0 upon 2 a, value of a is 4. So here we get minus 4 root 3 upon 8, which is equal to minus root 3 upon 2. So the roots are minus root 3 upon 2 comma minus root 3 upon 2. Let's take example number 2. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Compare it. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 4. Discriminant D. Discriminant D equal to B square minus 4AC equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. 1 square 1 minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, this is 33. So D is equal to 33, which is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. So if roots are real, proceed further, find the roots. So we have the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus b, value of b is 1, plus minus root, value of d is 33 upon 2a, 2 into 2. So we get minus 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. So the roots are minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4 minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. So this way we can find the roots of any quadratic equation by using a quadratic formula. Very simple formula जिसको हम ब्रह्मास्त्र कह सकते हैं. ब्रह्मास्त्र किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये ब्रह्मास्त्र का काम करेगा. Let's take some more examples. Okay. Next question. C part. X square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. Next example. 9x square minus 9 a plus b x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square equal to 0. X square minus √2 plus 1x plus √2 equal to 0. Okay, the question is find the discriminant and find the roots if exists. So the question is solve the quadratic equations using quadratic formula or Sridharacharya's formula if roots exist. If roots exist. तो जैसा कि अभी बोला था, ये श्रीधराचार्य फॉर्मूला किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक ब्रह्मास्त्र का काम करेगा. So let's solve this. Let's apply this. So C part. Let's compare. Now in formula, in place of small a small b, we'll take capital A capital B. That is the compare with standard form we'll take as ax square plus bx plus capital C equal to 0, because a, b are already used in the question. So we get a is equal to coefficient of x square, so 1. B is equal to minus 2a. C is equal to, ये पूरा आएगा a square minus b square. Let's find out the discriminant d first. जब भी आपको क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला लगाना है तो सबसे पहले आप डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालेंगे, जिसके लिए आपका फॉर्मूला था b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, और फिर इसको चेक करना है वेदर इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0 और नॉट. तो b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, वैल्यू ऑफ b माइनस 2a, माइनस 2a स्क्वायर माइनस 4, a की वैल्यू है 1 और c की वैल्यू है a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. So this is 4a square minus 4a square minus minus plus 4b square. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, हमारे पास बचा 4b स्क्वायर, 4b स्क्वायर, और किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है, और ये टर्म चूंकि पॉजिटिव है, दैट मीन्स दिस इज डेफिनेटली ग्रेटर देन 0. सो रूट्स आर रियल, और जब रियल रूट्स है तो आगे बढ़िए. फॉर्मूला इज x इज इक्वल टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस √d अपॉन 2a, माइनस b की वैल्यू ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे माइनस 2a प्लस माइनस √d, d की वैल्यू 4b स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, a की वैल्यू 1. सो दिस इज स्टूडेंट्स माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो ये हो गया 2a प्लस माइनस 4b स्क्वायर का रूट होगा 2b अपॉन 2. राइट. अब देखिए बच्चों, यहां पे जल्दबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं करना है कि ये 2 से ये 2 काट दिया या ये 2 से ये 2 काट दिया, नहीं. हम पहले कॉमन निकालेंगे बच्चों. यहां पे 2 कॉमन निकाला, अब हमारे पास बच रहा है a प्लस माइनस b अपॉन 2. अब हम इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, तो ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. सो द आंसर इज a प्लस माइनस b. A plus minus B. That means roots are A plus B and A minus B. This is your answer. Right? Very simple one, but be careful. Take the values of A, B and C carefully with sign. While applying the values, put the negative values and the binomial values in the bracket. Simplify it carefully and then apply the formula. Okay. Next example. D. Practice makes maths perfect. So remember students, practice is very important to improve yourself in maths. Standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's compare. A is equal to coefficient of x square क्या है 9. A की वैल्यू 9. B is equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 9 a plus b, minus 9 a plus b. Value of c, that is the constant term, ये पूरा आएगा साइन के साथ, प्लस का साइन है, that is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. This is c. Let's find out the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 9 a plus b whole square minus 4, value of a is 9, into c 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. So here we get 81 a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 36 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. So it is 81a square plus 162ab plus 81b square minus 72a square minus 180ab minus 72b square. So 81a square minus 72a square, 9a square, 162ab minus 180ab minus 18ab, 81b square minus 72b square plus 9b square. तो 9 यहाँ से कॉमन निकलेगा, 9 कॉमन, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to 9 a minus b whole square. So we get d is equal to 9 into a minus b whole square. So definitely again this is square of any number is always positive and 9 is also positive. So this is definitely greater than 0. So roots are real. So we have to proceed further. The roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus b. Value of b is minus 9a plus b plus minus root d. Value of d is 9a minus b whole square upon 2a. Value of a is 9. So here we get 9a plus b plus minus square root of 9 is 3. Square root of a minus b whole square is a minus b upon 2 into 9, 18. So here we get 9a plus b so now we'll take taking plus sign and then taking minus sign. Now let's take plus sign first. So we get x is equal to 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b upon 18. That is 9a plus 3a, 12a, 9b minus 3b, 6b upon 18. Again the same thing. First we'll take the common factor from here. 6 common. 2a plus b upon 18. 6 ones are, 6 threes are. So the root is 2a plus b upon 3. Now let's take minus sign. So we have obtained x is equal to 2a plus b upon 3. Now taking minus sign, x is equal to 9a plus 9b minus 3a minus plus 3b upon 18. That is 9a minus 3a, 6a, 9b plus 3b, 12b upon 18. 6 common from here. A plus 2b upon 18. 6 ones are, 6 threes are. So it is a plus 2b upon 3. So the roots are 2a plus b upon 3 and a plus 2b upon 3. So this way we can find the roots of a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Okay, let's take the fifth example. Fifth example is x square minus root 2 plus 1x plus root 2 equal to 0. Compare this. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to coefficient of x square 1, b is equal to minus root 2 plus 1. A is 1, b is minus root 2 plus 1. C is equal to root 2. Discriminant D. B square minus 4ac. D is equal to minus value of B minus root 2 plus 1 whole square minus 4 A C. Minus square will be positive. Root 2 plus 1 whole square. A square root 2 का square 2 plus B square 1 का square 1 plus 2ab 2 into root 2 into 1 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2 which is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं बच्चों 2 को लिख सकते हैं रूट 2 का स्क्वायर, 1 को लिख सकते हैं 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू रूट 2 इंटू 1. तो ये आइडेंटिटी के फॉर्म में बन गया. यहाँ पे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना है हमको. तो ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2 ए बी ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस विल गेट रूट 2 minus 1 whole square. Again it is perfect square greater than 0. So roots are real roots. So we have to find the roots now. So to find the roots, formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus b, value of b minus root 2 plus 1 plus minus root d, value of d is root 2 minus 1 whole square upon 2a, 2 into 1, that is minus minus plus root 2 plus 1 plus minus root 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now let's take plus sign. X is equal to root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 minus 1 upon 2. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. X is equal to 2 root 2 upon 2. 2 cancel. X is equal to root 2. Negative sign. X is equal to root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 minus minus plus 1 upon 2. Plus root 2 minus root 2 cancel. 1 plus 1 2 upon 2 which is equal to 1. Sometimes students when we get 2 by 2 2 to cancel, we write it as 0. But it is a very silly mistake. So 2 by 2 is 1. So the roots are x is equal to root 2 and x is equal to 1. This is your answer. So students, watch the video carefully, practice more assignment questions, subscribe the channel Maths by Pradeep Burde, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.